So in conclusion, I flew this flight with the the StartRC extended landing gear here for the Avata 2 drone. Love this Avata 2. Big upgrade over the Avata 1, in my opinion. Mostly the camera quality and quieter. Yeah, so in conclusion here, flying the Avata 2 with the StartRC extending landing legs, to be honest, I think I felt a slight drag on it. It was, a little bit breezy here, and I think it started catching those landing legs and kind of made the drone maybe not quite as stable. As far as getting video, I don't mean unstable as far as me being able to fly the drone well. I had no problems flying and handling, no no near accidents or anything like that. But I think the footage may have been a little wobbly, more so with the extended landing gear than without them on. Again, unscientific testing. I flew one flight before without the legs, and then I flew two flights with the legs on. Again, I think I did see a little drag caused by the landing gear, which I would expect it. And the landing gear is something I wouldn't expect you to use like every flight or whatever. But if you had to take off in a dicey situation, you didn't have any kind of a landing pad or anything. These would protect you from, in my case, sand, dirt, any type of debris that could get into the, bottom of your drone and the camera and those downward sensors, anything like that. So again, they're nice to have in certain situations where you absolutely have to need them. And I do have to admit that when I was flying in standard mode, regular mode, normal mode, whatever the slower mode is, I didn't see as much drag as I did when I was using the sport mode. So at low speed cruising, you don't see as much of a difference as far as, again, I didn't really care about the drag so much because, again, never felt unsafe flying a drone, but I thought it wobbled the drone more for the camera performance. Whether that shows up in the final video when rock studies applied and all that, whatever, that I won't know until I post it up here. So maybe I'll come back again with the second set of conclusions after I've seen the video on the computer at home. So, okay, if not, then this is it. Thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if you got anything out of it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member. Ring the bell so you know when I put more videos up, and all the usual jazz. I'll put affiliate links down below. I am an Amazon affiliate seller, so I do get a small commission off of anything you buy off of those links. And remember me too, we got some new stuff coming out. We got the DJI Neo coming to the US in early October. We got the DJI Action 5 coming up about a week from today, I think the 19th, and then the Air 3S will be out sometime in maybe early to mid-October, sometime in October. So remember me if you think about purchasing any of those products that use my affiliate links. So even if I don't have an affiliate link on Amazon for it, just use my affiliate link for this video, get to Amazon, and then purchase any of those new products and whatever. It really helps the channel out. So, okay, we will see you on the next one.